In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pixelate an image using Photoshop. This can be a versatile technique, whether you want to give your image an artistic touch or protect sensitive information by obscuring certain details. So, let's dive right in and begin the process. First things first, you'll need to open the image that you want to pixelate in Photoshop. Simply launch the application and navigate to the file you wish to edit. Once you have your image up on the screen, you're ready to start the transformation process. Now, while this next step is optional, it's definitely recommended for greater flexibility. You should convert your image layer to a smart object. This is a valuable tip because it allows you to apply the pixelation filter in a non-destructive manner. To do this, just right-click on your image layer in the Layers panel and select Convert to Smart Object. This step will give you the freedom to adjust the pixelation or mask parts of it later on if needed. Next, you need to decide whether you want to pixelate the entire image or just a specific section. If your goal is to pixelate the whole image, you can bypass the selection step entirely. However, if your intention is to pixelate only a part of the image, like a face, a license plate, or perhaps the background, you'll have to select that particular area. To achieve this, you can use handy selection tools such as the Lasso tool, Marquee tool, or Object Selection tool. Once you've made your selection, you have another option. Duplicate the selection to a new layer by pressing Ctrl or Command plus J. This allows you to work on that section independently without altering the original image. With your selection made, it's time to apply the pixelation effect. Navigate to the Filter menu at the top of your screen, then go down to Pixelate, and finally, select the Mosaic option from the drop-down menu. This will bring up the Mosaic dialog, where you can customize the pixelation effect. In the Mosaic dialog, you'll want to set the cell size, which essentially determines how large each pixel block will be. Adjusting this slider will allow you to control the level of pixelation. Larger blocks will yield a more pixelated appearance. Within this dialog, you'll also see a preview of the effect. This is a good moment to zoom in or out of your image to ensure the pixelation is achieving the look you desire. Once you're satisfied with how it looks, go ahead and click OK to apply the effect. And there you have it. Your image has now been successfully pixelated in Photoshop. Whether you opted for subtlety or something more pronounced, I hope you found this guide both informative and easy to follow. Happy editing!